Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video. Today, I'm going to do a review of the digital marketing program that I'm a part of and 1000% agree with and think that you should jump into. So, today we're going to be talking about digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Selling something online. Either you're selling something online or you're being sold to. Okay. If you work a 9 to 5 job, your 9 to 5 job is never going to make you rich. Okay. The way people are getting rich is digital assets. Okay. So if you sell a digital marketing course, a checklist, a template, a guide, an ebook, that's going to make you rich. Why? Because you don't have to create it. That's why I started digital marketing is because I'm selling a DFY product, a done for you product. Somebody already created this course, okay? And I bought it from my mentor, the course creator, and we're going to walk through Luxe Income Lounge and how you can get into Luxe Income Lounge today for as low as $23 a month, zero today. Okay? And why I think that you should buy Luxe Income Lounge. Okay? So this is my review. So when you get into the course, there's going to be tabs: community tab, classroom tab, calendar, members, leaderboard, and about. If you've never been a part of the platform school, this is how it breaks down. Okay. When you join, here's the course creator right here, Miranda Perry. Okay. It says, just join, stop and read. Read this. It's going to tell you what to do first, second, and third. If you want your stand store or your beacon set up, you need to send me a message because you can have your stand store set up for you, but you have to let me know so I can pay Tiffany to do that for you. That's only if you purchase directly from Miranda that she has it done for you for free. But if you purchase from me, that's one of the perks that I will throw in is to have your store set up for you. Um, so you can go through the community and read what everybody's doing. Um, Here is we can go over to testimonials. Okay. First day promoting Lux, $1,700. People are making money. A win worth celebrating. Sharing my win. She created her first ebook and made her first 1K. What could you guys do with $1,000? 45K since June 1st, first live, made my first sale, 680.85 in 50 minutes. Wow. First ebook guide, new to Lux. Kelly CNA to DON. Okay. 10K in 7 days. People are making money with Lux. So then let's go to the classroom. Okay. The classroom is fire. Start here. Welcome. Start here. Okay. Ground zero. What to post as a beginner. Here's your affiliate module. Okay. How to get your affiliate link and everything. Live recordings. We meet 4 times a week, guys. 4 times a week. There's no reason you can't get your questions answered. Mindset, motivation, and momentum. Claim your lane. I bought the course, now what? Brand building, identity over limitation. It's not the course, it's your content. Okay? Lead by example, income skills, target audience, power of being coachable, clarity to cash, the scale method. Justin Springer is amazing. Make sure you watch this module. Attraction code, how you attract people. If you want to get out of being broke, this is the way to do it. How to learn how to DM people, okay? How to create a product. How to start Amazon reviews. How to do UGC. How to do letter writing, if that's your thing. How to become a virtual assistant. Some people do not want to just resell Lux, and that's fine. You don't have to do that. You can become a virtual assistant and make 3,000 plus a month. TikTok live success system. selling in your stories if you want to go to Instagram, creating with Claude, the Resource Vault, creating on Canva, the Gen X module, LuxBot. This is a ChatGPT bot made for Lux. Create your AI twin, PLR Vault. You can take these products and you can sell them and price them for what you want and sell them. Invisible influence, elevated email edit, promo material. Guys, make sure you're taking advantage of this, okay? If we go to our calendar, right, it tells you all of these different dates that we meet, okay? And it's going to have it in your time zone. We can go to the leaderboards, but we're not going to do that. This is an amazing community. There's 4.5K members in this community. 52 are online, 12 admins. Guys, this course is amazing. If you want to start making money in your sleep, the way you're going to do it is by a done-for-you product. I don't care what product. Pick what niche you want to be in. Health, wealth, or relationships. Get a product. Do videos like I'm doing here. Be consistent. Post on Instagram. Post on TikTok. Whatever you want to do, and sell the crap out of it. Sell it. People are going to buy it, and you're going to get rich. That's the secret sauce. People are getting rich selling digital products. So if you want my YouTube video promo, okay, if you sign up with me, I'm going to have your storefront set up for you, and I'm going to give you your first done-for-you product, okay, that you can price and sell for however much you want. Okay, if you watch this video and you message me when you get started and tell me that you found me on my YouTube video. Okay, so if you're ready to stop being broke in 2026, start selling digital products. Luxe Income Lounge is where it's at. There's support, there's meetings, there's people to help you. You're not going to be just thrown in a course and said, okay, you bought it, now figure it out yourself. We have a newbie chat in 3 days. So sign up today. You can jump into that newbie chat. You can reach out to me. You can reach out to Miranda. We can have your store set up within 24 hours and you can start diving into these modules. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you decide to join Lux. If you do, the link is in the description. If you want your store set up, let me know. When you purchase from me, I'll reach out to you to see if you want your store set up. And I hope that you decide to start digital marketing to become rich. I'll talk to you guys soon.